Hi everyone, Louise here. Yeah, so it's been over a week because I had a bit of difficulty finding the software. I all of these stuff that I don't want to spend any money on this. I've already spent $20. It's more than I'm willing to spend on an experiment of this type, of this nature. Well, not more obviously, but that's about as much as I'm willing to spend on it, monetary wise, and I'm going to fit it in as and when I can. So yeah, so it's been just over a week, but the campaign that I ran did create followers. I've got 46 followers now. Whether or not they're all from that campaign, I have no idea, but nonetheless, they're there. I've when I look at them though, there's only 2 that are active, and they haven't recruited anyone. Now, I'm not sure if I'm able to communicate with these people. I can't see a way to do this, which I find quite annoying. What's the point of having a downline if you're not able to communicate with them? So we'll see how that pans out. Now, I'm guessing that my mining is down that is really low. It's been mining at about 120 all week. So I don't know why it's down below, like almost below, below 50 there. I'm not quite sure what that's all about. But yeah, it's pretty poor. It might be because it's Saturday. I don't know. I'm not gonna concern myself too much about it, to be fair. But I just thought I'd mention it. I've gained a huge amount of money here. Sorry, that's supposed to be a humor. Pretty bad. But anyways, 26 cents. Almost 27 cents, I guess. It's not horrible, but I've obviously invested a lot more than that, 100% more than that. So, in myself, really, in the company. So, yeah, so not overly excited about the results from the campaign. Maybe recommend it if you had tons and tons of users already. I don't know. I don't know. I went to Hits for You as well, and I tried to navigate around there, and that was a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. It's changed completely to what it used to be when I first saw it about 10 years ago. So, and I couldn't be bothered to figure it out. I couldn't be